Hello and welcome to my portfolio for social media and business. For this portfolio, I'll be showcasing to you my family's business named PNS Capital. My family's business focuses on private lending, stock investing, and financial and business consultancy. So, this social media page of our business has already started since then, and I have been actively creating content and for our page ever since I started my digital marketing course in Surge Freelancing Marketplace last March. By applying my skills I have learned through that course, I was able to uh, set content for our business page and make sure that our page is always active and running. So, this is our Facebook page. As you can see, we already have a profile picture, a cover photo, and a bio, and all other details for our business. We also have an Instagram page, which we also linked. And as you can see, we have been actively scheduling content for our page by sharing content we've found from pages we followed. And also, we've already been creating our own content as well since last April. So, uh, our dashboard, here's the insights and analytics of our page. So as you can see, we've been gaining views and also follows for our page. And our engagements have been down, but as long as we have active followers and viewers, that's more than enough for our business. We also have our LinkedIn page, which is not much active than our Facebook page, but we've been starting to create content for our LinkedIn page so that we can also reach out to business owners, business partners, and also people that we are able to reach out to in LinkedIn. So going back to our Facebook page, uh, let's schedule a content. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can create and schedule posts that you so that you can create for Facebook and Instagram. So here in the text, this is where you insert your caption, paste your caption, and also for carousel posts or posts and videos that you would like to insert in your post, you just add and then you just attach the photo or the video that you would like to include in your post. So for this, I have created uh, and designed a carousel post in Canva. So here's the one I made in Canva. And I'll be scheduling this post for today around 3:30 p.m. since uh, that's the time that I have scheduled here in our content calendar. I'll be showing to you again our content calendar after I scheduled my post. So here, I already attached the pictures, and then now I can copy this caption I have included in our content calendar and paste it here in this text. So now it's ready. And then here you can schedule the post that so that it's automatically published on the time you have set. So since our scheduled post will be around 3 p.m., so that's the time I'll set it on. 3:30 p.m. rather. So here I have scheduled it for both our Facebook and Instagram pages. And then here you can share it through your Facebook story. But for now, let's leave it as is. And then here is the privacy settings you want to set for the post if you want it public or restricted. So let's schedule the post. So now this post is scheduled for 3:30 p.m. Here, it's shown in the planner. So now that's good. So for the content calendar, I have decided to create two kinds of content calendar. One that is integrated with all of the sheets that I've made for this other content calendar. For this content calendar, the other content calendar, this is a more appropriate content calendar that you can use when you have clients, such as when uh, this sheet shows the content strategy for the social media that you are managing. Then the next sheet shows the content calendar. This focuses on the actual content that you'll be posting in the social media. Here it shows like the content you've made in Canva, the title of the content, and the caption. And then a content repository. This is where you can store all contents you have made for the past days already so that it is saved no matter what and you can go through the the links and go and retrieve them if needed. So for the last part of this portfolio, I'll be showing to you our FB automations. Here in Meta Business Suite, go to Inbox and then go to Automations. And then there you can create and edit your auto replies that you can enable when people inquire in your page. So I have actually set and made uh, automations already since the time in the digital marketing course in Surge. And I also learned about Facebook automations. So here's one example. So this is an instant reply when people start messaging us. So this is our first greeting to them. And then another example is here in our frequently asked questions. So I have made 5 questions with answers already. For example, when people ask to apply for a loan, then an automated reply is already sent to them. So when you enable this automations, it is shown when people message you. There's like a list of options, and in that options are the FAQs that you make. So that's it for my portfolio. Thank you very much for watching.